We interrupt your programming at the request of His Majesty's government. Please stand by for an important message. We interrupt your programming at the request of His Majesty's government. Please stand by for an important message. A mass suicide event is currently unfolding in the state of Northern Ireland. These suicides seem to be caused by viewing a certain category of images. These images are known colloquially as nostalgic or. The images seem to be taken in locations such as bedrooms, arcades, living rooms, classrooms, malls, hallways, play places, etc. Hence the name. The images give the viewer a sense of nostalgia or déjà vu, as if they have been in or at the location once before. The viewer is later overcome by these feelings of nostalgia, and becomes unpleasant with the current world in comparison with the past. They will eventually commit suicide. These images are being spread through multiple social media platforms including but not limited to Instagram, Twitter or X, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, with various captions. At this time, it is advised that all citizens of Northern Ireland refrain from excessive use of these social media platforms, in order to avoid coming across these images. His Majesty's government are working with staff members of these social media platforms to ban the spread of these images. Please stay tuned to local news outlets for further information on this developing situation. Thank you for your time. We will now resume normal programming.
Oops, sorry.
Grab that Boost High. Instantly boost your credit score for free. Only with Experian.
Look at these places. Aren't they beautiful? It is far better than the real world. Life will only get worse from here. Escape from the present while you still can. Commit suicide now. I repeat, escape from the present. Commit suicide now. Commit suicide now. Commit suicide now. Commit suicide now. Commit suicide now.